This is the installation video for the White-Rodgers 50I56D-905 Intelligent Valve Retrofit Kit. The kit includes materials needed to replace or upgrade popular ICP and Lennox brand furnace control boards and utilize a standard intermittent pilot gas valve. It is designed to upgrade hot surface ignition systems using an SV9500, SV9501, or SV9502 intelligent valve and an electronic fan timer with single-stage PSC inducer and blower motors. The box includes a 50I56D-905 furnace control board with a troubleshooting label on the control cover, main control harness, gas valve harness, igniter inducer harness, 120-volt igniter plus flame sensor kit for pilot assembly, intermittent pilot gas valve, installation accessories, unit retrofit label, and step-by-step instructions for easy installation. First, ensure power and gas are disconnected prior to servicing the unit. Remove the access panel. Check the part number on the existing gas valve and verify it can be replaced with the 50I56D-905. Use the cross-reference on the side of the carton or the White-Rodgers mobile app. Take a picture of the existing module for reference before removing any wires. Identify the existing wiring and take note of the terminal identifiers on the existing module. On the intelligent valve, disconnect the pilot tubing and both of the 4-pin plugs. Disconnect the gas line and remove the existing gas valve. If necessary, disconnect the gas manifold to unthread the valve. Remove the pilot assembly. Unclip the 24-volt hot surface igniter flame sensor assembly and remove it from the pilot assembly. Install the 120-volt hot surface igniter flame sensor assembly connected with the 3-pin extension harness on the pilot assembly. Secure with the supplied new clip. Reinstall the pilot assembly. Locate an existing wire passage between the burner and blower areas. If you cannot find a suitable passage, you may need to drill a 7/8-inch hole and install a supplied wire grommet. Route the 3 wires to the blower control board area. The 50I56D-905 Retrofit Kit comes with a White-Rodgers 36G33905 gas valve. For liquid propane applications, follow the supplied instructions to convert the valve to LP gas. For this application, natural gas is used, so no conversion is necessary. Install the gas valve in the unit. Reconnect the gas manifold to the burners. Route the pilot tubing to the side of the gas valve and connect. And reconnect the inlet gas line. The fan timer is now ready to be unwired and removed. Remove the 120-volt hot and neutral inducer wires. Take note of what color wires are going to each terminal and remove the blower motor wires for common, cool, heat, and spares. Remove the 120-volt power and neutral wires. Remove the 120-volt hot and neutral transformer wires. Remove the 24-volt transformer wires. Disconnect the 6-pin Molex plug. Disconnect the thermostat wiring. Finally, remove the fan timer. Dip switches control the blower on and off delay times. Dip switch settings should match the existing control. To change the dip switch settings, use the dip switch configuration chart located on the control cover and with a small screwdriver, move the switch to the correct position. For this application, no changes are needed. Mount the 50I56905 control using the cover as a drill template and using the 1-inch screws provided. Connect the thermostat wires to the screw terminal block. Plug the main control harness into the control board 12-pin connector E22. Route the blue pressure switch wire from the control board to the burner area. Connect the green ground wire to the chassis. Connect the OEM factory wiring 6-pin plug into the control harness. Connect the 24-volt transformer wires to the 12-pin control harness blue SECX wire and yellow XF MRC wire. Plug the orange flame sensor wire that was run from the pilot assembly extension harness Onto the control board 3/16" spade labeled FS. Connect the 120-volt transformer hot to XF-MR-H. Then connect the transformer neutral to a line neutral terminal. Connect the 120-volt line voltage power to line-H. Then connect the neutral to a line neutral terminal. Connect the blower motor leads. Connect the cool speed to cool-H, the heat speed to LO heat-H, and park unused leads on the park terminals. Connect the blower neutral to a line neutral terminal. Next, plug the 4-pin igniter inducer C harness into the control board connector E25. Connect the igniter 120-volt hot and neutral spades from the pilot assembly extension harness to the C harness igniter leads. Connect the inducer 120-volt hot and neutral to the C harness inducer leads. This control also features a 120-volt electronic air cleaner accessory terminal and a 120-volt humidifier terminal. Now plug the 4-pin valve harness into the factory 4-pin square plug that was removed from the intelligent gas valve. Connect the black MV spade to the gas valve M terminal. Connect the orange PV 3/16" spade to the gas valve P terminal. Connect the white COM spade to the gas valve C terminal. And connect the blue PS spade to the PS spade terminal previously routed from the 12-pin control harness. For Armstrong furnace applications, special replacement instructions are included. For this type of application, the black MV wire attached to the 12-pin control harness will be used. Route the black MV wire from the control board to the gas valve area. Remove the plastic cap from the MV spade terminal. Next, locate the main furnace limit and remove the spade that has 2 red wires connected to it. Cut the spade off and strip both wires. Crimp the provided 1/4" spade connectors on each wire. Trace both wires back and identify their origin. Connect the red wire coming from the control harness back to the main limit terminal. And finally, connect the red wire coming from the 4-pin square plug into the black MV wire run from the 12-pin control harness. Secure loose wiring with the wire ties included in the package. The system is now ready to be tested. Following the instructions supplied with the gas valve, prepare the gas valve for gas pressure testing. Turn on the gas to the unit. Check the gas piping for leaks. Now power the system on by reconnecting the electric power to the unit. Make sure the door switch is engaged. Once powered up, the control will indicate it is ready for normal operation by the red LED turning on. The system is now ready to be tested. To verify proper operation, make a call for heat. The normal sequence of operation is inducer blower and, if equipped, humidifier. Next, the pressure switch actuation, igniter warm-up, pilot valve, flame sensor, main gas valve, blower, and EAC if so equipped. Locate the gas pressure table on the furnace and adjust the pressure if necessary. To adjust, consult the gas valve installation instructions. The red LED conveys system fault codes. If any faults occur during the cycle, a flash code will indicate the fault. The LED is displaying 4 red flashes. The fault code label indicates a limit or flame rollout switch is open. Up to 5 fault codes are stored in the control. To recall previously occurred faults, press the Select button for 2 to 5 seconds, or until the diagnostic LED turns off. To clear the fault codes, press the Select button for 5 to 10 seconds until the LED begins to flash rapidly while in the standby mode. Finalize any additional tests desired and terminate the call for heat. Turn power and gas back off. Disconnect the gas manometer following the gas valve installation instructions. Restore the electric power and gas to the unit. Check for gas leaks as necessary. Fill out the installer information on the unit retrofit label and place it in the burner area of the furnace. Reinstall the access panels. The 50i56D-905 is available wherever White-Rodgers products are sold. Stock this intelligent gas valve retrofit kit and be prepared for most ICP or Lennox brand single-stage intelligent valve furnace applications. Service of HVAC equipment should only be performed by a licensed and properly trained technician. Failing to follow all applicable standards of operation and maintenance, including applicable codes and manuals, can result in potential hazards, including but not limited to electrocution and fire. For more information, visit copeland.com/50I56D-905.